Want to make AI work for you, like really work for you? Meet your behind-the-scenes genius, Copilot Agents. Hey, I'm Willis. This week's Copilot Tip of the Week is all about agents, what they are and what they can do. What's an agent? When most people think about AI agents, their first question is generally, how is this different from the AIs I've used in the past? Other AIs are like a chatbot, chat-focused, providing customer service or information. Agents are action-focused, making decisions and performing tasks. Think of a Copilot agent like your digital assistant. It's trained to do specific tasks for you. What can they do? You might think, that sounds great, but so what? Well, ever wish you had someone to schedule your meetings, analyze reports, manage your digital files and folders? Don't worry, there's an agent for that. You can use one created by Microsoft, or if you can't find exactly what you need, you can create your own. With this fast-paced world we live in, who doesn't want AI that can actually do the work? Copilot agents make it possible. And that's your Copilot Tip of the Week. See you next time.